2020. We have experienced too much. But it also gives us a time to think about the future. As more people choose to buy phone cases, cables and all other accessories from online channels, phone repair service is becoming more and more important to every single retail store, and it will be an essential skill in the future. A professional repair store image is a good start. You don't need to pay a high cost for buying all expensive furniture. By just paying a very less deposit, your store could be like this. Like this. And even better. If you are a new starter with phone repair service, we also provide with training lessons at free of charge for our future 3C Easy repair store owners. Our experienced teachers will go through every single step with you from theory to practice. 3C Easy, a new milestone in Paizen's development. Paizen invested and created an intelligent service platform of 3C industry 3C Easy. 3ceasy.com is a leading O2O platform with both online and offline services. The automatic producing lines ensure qualified cell phone repairs and services. 3C Easy is equipped with over 10,000 stores in more than 2,500 cities around the world, which provides repairs and services for users in a cheaper, faster and better way. By providing more innovative products and services, Paizen takes care of your smart life all around. Paizen has challenged massive impossible. And now, we sincerely invite you to join us with next challenges.